Hey there, Treviso fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing 9406 Italia. This is part of the estate line of homes over here in Treviso Bay with a golf membership included. Now let's run inside and take a look at this floor plan. This is the Toscana Grande. You're going to have 4 bedrooms plus a loft in this home. Nice undercover area, porch up front. When we walk inside, you've got your formal type living room right here and your dining room right off of that. And then to the right of our entry, that's your master right there. And then the rest of the living space is off to the left. So we're going to start with the master since it's the closest here. Really nice size master suite here. You've got the bay windows overlooking the pool area, as well as a door to provide access out to the pool. This is a king-size bed here for perspective, and they've got even a little table here, along with a chair, so you can utilize the space quite a bit. You've got this huge closet coming up here on the left side. You've got the California style closet there, and then we've got the master right here. You're gonna have your split vanities, your walk-in style shower here, soaking tub, and then you've got your enclosed water closet as well as a linen closet right here. All right, now coming back out into the main area of the home, we'll jet across here and you'll see the laundry room directly in front of us here with additional storage as well as utility sink. That's right off of the garage here. You've got your painted epoxy floor, 3-car garage, and this home has all of this additional storage that's been put here in the garage as well. But if you come in directly from the garage, here you've got your kitchen and great room space, along with your eat-in dining room with the bay window that overlooks your pool area. Really nice place to have your morning coffee and breakfast. We've got this nice open kitchen design here. Got a tile backsplash, stainless appliances. One of the nice parts about Italia is you do get gas cooking here in Italia of Treviso Bay, and your pool would also be gas as well. Now your great room area has the triple sliders leading out to the lanai, which we'll take a look at here shortly. But first, we're going to look at the guest bedrooms here, right off the kitchen and great room. You've got 3 guest bedrooms right off the great room area. There's one there, and you've got your guest bath here with the combination tub and shower. You've got your second guest bedroom here, which is being used as an office. And then just past the great room here, on the left, is the 3rd guest bedroom. Now this piggybacks right off of the pool bath here. So your pool bath is right here. You do have the commode, the sink, as well as a standalone shower right here. The nice part is this home comes with a pocketing door right here. So if you wanted to provide some privacy to this bedroom here with access to this bathroom, you can just shut that door and you've got a nice ensuite type of setup there. Now here is the stairwell to the bonus room. It's about 600 square foot, I believe, up here. And these owners have added the wood-like tile and are using it as a bedroom, mother-in-law guest type suite. They've added some shelving here for clothing and whatnot. They've got a bed set up here with the TV. Nice part about the bonus room up here is you do get the little kitchenette type of setup here with the wet bar and fridge as well. Now, last but not least, we are going to run downstairs and take a look at the outdoor living space here in the home. So right outside of your great room here, you've got your exterior living space. Really nice size spacing here. You've got the wood trim on the ceilings here. You've got an outdoor kitchen. You've got your pool and spa package. And this home is facing east, overlooking the lake here. And you've got all this additional room towards the back of the home here as well. So really nice use of the outdoor living space. Beautiful lake view. You'll have beautiful sunrises. And everything that you really need to enjoy the Florida living here. All right, so this is 9406 Italia. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.